Hey there guys, in this video let's see how to check a number is positive, negative or zero in Python. So before we get into the explanation part, I have already written a blog post on this example. So you can also see the source code over here. So this blog post will be in the description box below, so do check it out. So I will just open my Thorny IDE and enter a variable. So the variable is number is equal to, let's enter float. So we are asking the user to enter the values. So input, please enter the value. Let's add a colon. Now let's enter if number is greater than 0, then it should be positive. So I'm just entering print positive, and if a number is less than 0, it should be negative. So I just enter, let me check the source code again. I don't know, I have entered the if or elif, so I have entered the elif. So you can also go with the if statement. I will just go with the elif. If number is less than 0, you enter print negative. Or we enter the else statement and we just enter print 0. Now let's run the program. So let's enter 2. Let's go with 2. So it is positive. Let's enter another number. So let's go with -2. So it is negative. So let's go with 0. So it is 0. So this is how to check a number is positive, negative or 0 in Python. So do check it out. The blog post is in the description box below. So I hope this video helped you a lot. So make sure to give a like and subscribe to our channel. See you next video guys.